Imagine if every month companies sent you money just for owning a piece of their business. That's exactly what dividends do. And today I'm going to explain how you can use them to retire years earlier than your friends, using words so simple that a kindergartner would understand. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact three-step process that turns your paycheck into a money-making machine that works while you sleep. No fancy finance jargon, no confusing charts. Just the pure basics of building wealth through dividend investing. Let's start with the most important concept. Think of dividend investing like owning a lemonade stand. When you buy a share of stock, you're buying a tiny piece of that company's lemonade stand. Every time the lemonade stand makes money, they share some of those profits with everyone who owns a piece. That's your dividend. The beautiful part is you don't have to work at the lemonade stand. You don't have to squeeze lemons. You don't even have to show up. You just collect your share of the profits every few months. Before we dive deeper into this money-making system, if you want to learn the exact strategies that help regular people build passive income streams and achieve financial independence through dividend investing, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I share specific stock picks, portfolio strategies, and real-world examples that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, the next 15 minutes could literally change how you think about money forever. Now, here's what most people don't realize about dividend investing. And I'll show you the shocking math in just a few minutes that proves why starting early is absolutely critical to your success. Let me introduce you to Sarah. Sarah is 25 years old and works at a regular office job making $50,000 a year. She has no special financial training, no wealthy parents, and no secret investment knowledge. But Sarah understands one simple concept that most people never learn. Instead of spending every dollar she earns, Sarah takes just 10% of her income and uses it to buy shares in companies that pay dividends. Here's how Sarah's money machine works. Every month, Sarah takes $500 from her paycheck. That's 10% of her monthly income of $5,000. She uses this money to buy shares in companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Microsoft. These companies have been paying dividends for decades. But here's where it gets interesting. When Sarah buys $100 worth of Coca-Cola stock, she now owns a tiny piece of the company. Coca-Cola makes billions of dollars every year selling their drinks all around the world. Because Sarah owns a piece of the company, Coca-Cola sends her a small portion of their profits every 3 months. This is her dividend payment. Let's say Coca-Cola pays a 4% dividend. That means for every $100 Sarah invested, she receives $4 per year in dividend payments. It might not sound like much, but remember, Sarah doesn't have to do any work to earn this money. She doesn't have to show up to an office. She doesn't have to deal with customers. She doesn't even have to think about it. The money just appears in her account. And this is the part most people get completely wrong. Most people think $4 per year in a $100 investment is too small to matter. They want to get rich quick. They want to make $1,000 tomorrow. But Sarah understands something that millionaires have known for generations. Small amounts of money invested consistently over time grow into massive fortunes. Let's follow Sarah's journey year by year. In her first year, Sarah invests $6,000 into dividend-paying stocks. Her average dividend yield is 4%, so she receives $240 in dividend payments. That's $20 per month of passive income. Not life-changing yet, but it's a start. Here's the magic part. Instead of spending her dividend payments, Sarah reinvests them. She uses her $20 per month to buy more shares of dividend-paying stocks. This is called dividend reinvestment, and it's the secret weapon that turns small investments into massive wealth. Year 2 is when things start getting exciting. Sarah continues investing $6,000 per year, but now she also has the dividend payments from year 1 to reinvest. Her total investment grows to $12,480. At 4% dividends, she's now receiving $499 per year in passive income. That's over $40 per month. By year 5, Sarah has invested $30,000 of her own money, but her portfolio is worth $33,212. The extra $3,212 came from dividend payments that she reinvested. She's now receiving over $100 per month in passive income. But year 10 is where Sarah's friends start to notice something different about her financial situation. After 10 years of investing $6,000 annually, Sarah has put in $60,000 of her own money, but her portfolio is now worth $87,447. She's receiving over $3,400 per year in dividend payments. That's almost $300 per month of passive income, and it required zero additional work from Sarah. Year 15 is when Sarah realizes she's built something incredible. Her portfolio is now worth $139,736. She's receiving over $5,500 per year in dividends. That's $460 per month of passive income. Sarah is starting to see a future where she won't need to depend entirely on her job for income. Now, here's the part that changes everything, and it's the reason why most people never achieve financial independence, even when they follow this exact strategy. There's a hidden accelerator that can double or even triple your results, but only if you understand how to use it properly. The secret is called dividend growth. Not all dividend-paying companies are created equal. Some companies pay the same dividend year after year, but the best dividend companies increase their dividend payments annually. This is where Sarah's strategy goes from good to absolutely incredible. Let's say Sarah focuses on companies that increase their dividends by 5% every year. In year 1, she receives $4 in dividends from her $100 investment. But in year 2, that same investment pays her $4.20. In year 3, it pays $4.41. Every single year, her passive income increases without her having to invest another penny. This is the compound interest effect that Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. After 20 years of investing $6,000 annually and reinvesting dividends from companies that grow their dividends by 5% per year, Sarah's portfolio is worth over $270,000. But more importantly, she's receiving over $13,000 per year in dividend payments. That's over $1,000 per month of passive income. At this point, Sarah has options. She could continue working and investing, building her passive income even higher. Or she could reduce her work hours knowing that her dividend income is covering a significant portion of her living expenses. But let's see what happens if Sarah stays consistent for 30 years. After 30 years, Sarah's portfolio is worth over $520,000. She's receiving over $26,000 per year in dividend payments. That's over $2,000 per month of passive income. Remember, Sarah only invested $6,000 per year. That's $180,000 of her own money over 30 years. But the power of dividend reinvestment and dividend growth turned her $180,000 into a $520,000 portfolio that generates $26,000 annually. Sarah can now retire early if she chooses. Her dividend income, combined with whatever she's saved in retirement accounts, gives her the financial freedom to leave her job years before traditional retirement age. Now let me show you the exact three-step process that makes this possible. Step 1 is choosing the right dividend-paying stocks. You want companies that have paid dividends for at least 10 years, preferably 20 or more. These companies have proven they can generate consistent profits in good times and bad times. Look for companies with dividend yields between 3 and 6%. Higher yields might seem attractive, but they often indicate a company in trouble. Focus on companies you understand. Coca-Cola sells drinks. Everyone understands that business. Johnson & Johnson makes medical products and consumer goods. Microsoft creates software that businesses around the world depend on. These are simple, profitable businesses that have been paying dividends for decades. Step 2 is investing consistently regardless of market conditions. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies ever discovered. Every month, Sarah invests $500 whether the stock market is up or down. When prices are high, her money buys fewer shares. When prices are low, her money buys more shares. Over time, this evens out and often results in a lower average cost per share. The key is automation. Sarah doesn't try to time the market or wait for the perfect opportunity. She sets up automatic investments so the money is invested before she has a chance to spend it on something else. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Step 3 is where most people fail, and it's the difference between moderate success and life-changing wealth. Step 3 is reinvesting every single dividend payment. When Coca-Cola sends Sarah her dividend check, she doesn't spend it on a vacation or a new car. She immediately uses that money to buy more shares of dividend-paying stocks. This creates a snowball effect where her dividends generate more dividends, which generate even more dividends. Most brokerage accounts offer automatic dividend reinvestment plans. This means when you receive a dividend payment, it's automatically used to purchase more shares of the same stock. You don't have to do anything. The compounding happens automatically. Let me give you one more example of how powerful this system can be. If Sarah had started this strategy at age 20 instead of 25, investing the same $6,000 per year for 35 years instead of 30 years, her portfolio would be worth over $730,000. She would be receiving over $36,000 per year in passive income. Those extra 5 years at the beginning of her investing journey would have added over $200,000 to her final portfolio value. This is why time is your greatest asset when building wealth through dividends. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. A 20-year-old who invests $3,000 per year until age 30 and then stops will have more money at retirement than someone who waits until age 30 to start investing and then invests $3,000 per year until age 65. The first 10 years of investing are often more valuable than the last 20 years. But what if you're not 20 years old? What if you're 30, 40, or even 50? Is it too late to build wealth through dividend investing? Absolutely not. The best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Even if you only have 10 or 15 years until retirement, dividend investing can significantly improve your financial situation. Sarah's story isn't unique. Thousands of regular people have used this exact strategy to build substantial wealth. They didn't have special knowledge or inside information. They simply understood the power of owning shares in profitable companies that share their profits with shareholders. The beauty of dividend investing is its simplicity. You don't need to predict which stocks will double in price. You don't need to time the market perfectly. You don't need to constantly buy and sell stocks. You simply buy shares in quality companies that pay dividends, reinvest those dividends, and let time work its magic. Your homework after watching this video is simple. Calculate 10% of your monthly income. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Research 3 dividend-paying companies that you understand and trust. Then start investing that 10% every single month without fail. If you're ready to take the next step and want to see exactly how to implement this strategy with just $1,000, I highly recommend watching my video called The $1,000 Dividend Strategy Nobody Talks About. I break down the specific stocks and allocation that can get you started on your dividend investing journey even if you don't have much money to begin with. You can check it out right here. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to build a reliable passive income stream that grows larger every year without requiring any additional work from you. Dividend investing is the closest thing to a guarantee in the investing world. Quality companies that have been paying dividends for decades will likely continue paying dividends for decades to come. Start today. Start small if you need to, but start. Your future self will thank you for taking action while everyone else is still making excuses. The path to financial independence through dividend investing isn't complicated, but it does require consistency and patience. Are you ready to begin building your dividend income machine?